How to change the pages order in a PDF. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I will be showing you how you can easily change the order of pages in a PDF. So basically we will be covering how you can easily organize pages in a particular PDF. So for this particular operation we will be utilizing a free PDF tool which is called iLovePDF. So using the iLovePDF we will be able to perform this operation easily. So let me demonstrate you how to do this. So for that, the first thing that you will need to do is open any web browser of your choice. It could be Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Mozilla Firefox, or any other web browser that best suits you. So once you have opened up your web browser, simply go to the search bar and search for I Love PDF. And once you'll search here, you can see this first search result from www.ilovepdf.com. So simply click onto this first link and it will lead you to a website with this interface. Now in this website, you need to click onto this all PDF tools option and then it will show you a lot of options. Now from here you need to click onto this organize PDF under the organize PDF section. So simply click onto this organize PDF option and it will open a page like this. So using this you can sort, add and delete PDF pages, drag and drop the pages thumbnails and sort them in our PDF organizer. So simply click onto this select PDF file button in order to select the PDF file that you want to organize. So simply click here and then select the PDF file. So for example, let's say I want this particular PDF file. So simply select it, or also you can select multiple files and then click onto this open button. Once you will do this, you can see that the PDF file has been loaded and its pages have also been loaded as well. So for example, let's say currently this is the first page of the agreement, this is the second page and this is the third page. So now let's say I want this third page to be moved before the second page. So what I can do is simply double click onto this and move it towards the left hand side. And now you can see that the third page appears before the second page. So once you are done with the organization like this, after you are done organizing the pages, you can click onto this organize button and you can see that this task has been processed successfully. So simply click onto this download file button and your download will be started in no time. So once the download completes, you can open the page and you can see that here is our first page and then here is our third page and at the last here is our second page. So that's how easily you can organize a PDF using this easy and simple technique. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.